backing ulit sa nating nilalaro. Yung bata pa lang kami. You know, yun, nagte-type siya. But we're in main. Alt pala. Alt. Yes, alt. Alt. Okay. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, ang hirap.
Panto.
Alam ko to eh. Click to trigger. Ayan. Oh, I'm stuck. I'm stuck. Oh no. I need to reset. Okay, again. Sorry guys for that. So we are speedrunning this, by the way. Yeah. No, literally. Ow! Me too. How did I fall to that, dude? Okay, time to lock in. Ang dude. Okay. Yan. Yan. Katsa ka doon? Wow. Let's go. Bye, loser. What? Ako kaya nauna. Ay, una kaya. Yan. Ito na naman. Ayoko nito eh. So, I cannot type now in here. So, because we are getting chased. So, I've been chased to that dumb girl. Okay. Oh, I fall. I didn't remember this game. When I was just a kid, I hate Barry's Prison. Dude, can you just please just get out? Okay. You. Good thing I didn't fall.
I'm stuck. Wait.
So we are not Tagaloging right now. Let's go. Let's go. Ooh, almost. Ooh, almost. Ooh, almost. We are a really risky player. Okay, we need this flamingo. I really know that update of flamingo keep falling. Ow! What are you doing, dude? We need to speedrun this, dude. Okay, time to lock in. Please. Dude. Dude just literally left me.
Hoy, nandito pa ako sa seconds. Huwag kang pabebe.
You are Tagaloging. Oh, yan. Let's go. Oh, let's go. Yan. Muntik na mahulog. Ay, it almost failed. Ay, na-failed na nga. Wait lang, reset. I will reset. Reset. Let's go. Oh no, it got failed ulit, dude. Okay, reset. Reset, please. This is so unfair. Or I am just a noob. Oo, I am a noob nga. Yan, I will baon-baon this. Pangpukpok sa'yo. Joke lang. Ito. Wala na. No. Yan, buti walang tao. Yan, dito pala. Sorry, burrito. Yes. You and Taco Bell. You eat Taco Bell. Cause Taco Bell, you can get a massive darahiya. Oh, darahiya na nga. Oh, yan. Oh. 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 Oh, almost. Oh, man. Fox no swipey. Oh, man.
Madaray.
You got a darahiya? I thought that was a ghost.
Bye-bye, guys.
So, he left. So, I am going by myself. What is this? Let's press it. Oh. Dude. Oh, yun. Oh, what is that? No, we don't care about that. We need to go in here. Yun. Hey, some prisoners, please help me defeat them. Help them defeat them. Yes, go. Give me your key. Your fat woman. Okay, choo-choo train. The train on the bus go. The wheels of the train go round and round. Just kidding, I am not a kid now. I am a kid pa. Sorry. Ang tagal naman. It's so bagal-bagal. Let me get off of this way. Okay. How he got a car, dude? How he got a car? Help! Someone chasing me with a car. He's after a car. How did I fall to this pipe, dude? Literally pala. Literally. Oh, I love this. We are too slow. We are so pagong. We are so turtles or tortoise. We are not adults, so turtle. Jumpo. Champorado. Yeah. By the way, on the last day on Friday, right? I will not post some videos cause we are going to swimming. How, dude? It's okay. You're so fat. Okay. Again. No, I don't need some game pass. You persuading. You are just here up me. Please, stop persuading. I don't need a helicopter. I need just to beat this. Okay, time to lock in. Okay. Shoot. Have some pizza. I am not Elliot. Ah, you're too fat. Ang duya naman. Kapag tinatch ko belly niya, mamamatay agad ako. Okay, run away. Oh, get explode, get pooped. Okay, we need to lock in, or we will just continue this on part 1. So go. I love this. This is so much fun. Yeah. Oh. Wow. Wow. This is so much fun. Wow. Dude. How did I fall to that? I need... Why, dude?
Akin yan pa, pumit ko yan.
Oh no. Lock in. Okay, we will continue this on part 2. So wait. This is where Nathan fall. Okay. 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 We need to lock in. Oh man. Oh. How, dude? You look like Superman. Superman eh. Yes, Flamingo is here. Help me, Flamingo. Kahit L stuck mo doon sa ano. Drop. Haha. I'm gonna grab your egg. Ay, head. Sorry. We will gonna continue this to part 2. So, bye-bye.